NASA recommends having these plants in your house to purify the air and other incredible things. Not all plants are effective in absorbing pollutants. They are cheerful, showy and add to any environment a touch of color. But in addition, the plants fulfill a function that we often overlook. They are ideal for purifying the air from the environment. However, not all do so with the same effectiveness. When filtering pollutants, some are better than others. In 1989, NASA conducted a study to determine which are the most suitable to accomplish this mission in a closed space. The recommendations took into account the availability of plants in the market. The report took into account the various pollutants in the air, the characteristics of the plants, and the ease of obtaining them in the market. BBC contacted Bill Wolverton, Director of environmental organization Wolverton Environmental Services and lead author of that study, to see if the report's recommendations are still in effect. Wolverton summed up the list and recommended the best plants to clean house air. 1. Pothos. This is a very popular and easy-to-get plant. It is very resistant and does not require great care, so it is widely used to decorate offices, shopping centers and other public places. Easily adapts to temperatures between 17 degrees and 30 degrees C. We only have to water it when we notice that the earth is dry. It can survive in poor light and little water. It grows in temperatures above 18 superscript OC. It is recommended to keep it away from drafts. They are long-lived plants. Its flower, in fact, is a leaf that wraps to the seeds. It absorbs the 5 pollutants present in the air analyzed by the NASA report. 2. Bamboo palm tree. This palm native of Asia can grow up to 3 meters high. It is responsible for eliminating harmful substances from the air. It is widely used in interior decoration. It has the advantage of surviving in unfavorable conditions. 3. Rubber tree. In a few years it can grow very fast, so keep in mind that it is a plant that needs space. It is effective to remove harmful substances from the air. It is also very resistant to diseases. And as it has a high rate of perspiration, helps to maintain moisture in the environment. 4. Sansevieria trifoschata, also called viper's bowstring hemp, snake plant, mother-in-law's tongue or St. George's sword. It is widely used in interior decoration. It has the advantage of surviving in unfavorable conditions. If grown outdoors, can withstand very high temperatures, even 40 degrees C, and also very low, 5 degrees C, as long as these extremes are sporadic. Good to remove harmful substances from the air.